Hello, this is Vilas Pol, Professor of Davidson School of Chemical Engineering at Purdue University. My research team, ViPER, works on energy storage devices. Those are rechargeable batteries that we do see in our day-to-day life. So what are the challenges in our batteries that we are holding today in our pockets and purses? The research challenges for those batteries are they are expensive, they are slightly unsafe, their life is limited, and the low temperature performance of rechargeable batteries are sluggish. And moreover, we do have a severe problem of battery recycling. So our team take care of all the challenges together in order to develop a new generation or next generation batteries that could be lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, lithium sulfur system, or even solid state batteries. So particularly, our team does focus on the discovery, characterization, testing, and thermal safety aspect of those various energy storage systems. And our research work is funded by various defense agencies. So, for example, for the critical temperature operations that is required for US defense, we do develop non-aqueous electrolyte that does work at variety of temperature. For example, in this particular system, we are showing that from plus 50 degrees Celsius to minus 50 degrees Celsius, batteries are operational with reasonable capacity. And we are pushing those border in order to make those batteries further better, all the way to make it work up to minus 120 degrees Celsius for various submarine NASA applications. Another technology we are developing, which we call it as solid state batteries, where the liquid electrolyte is removed, and we developed a composite polymer inorganic based electrolyte and made a system which provides hundreds of stable charge discharge cycles at room temperature. And not only the coin cells, but we also made the pouch cells, which are similar to the batteries sitting in your cell phones and laptops. We would like to welcome you to Purdue University to join the energy storage group, where we are make batteries safer and sustainable for next generation.